Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're in the market for a new iron, I would check out this one. This Hamilton Beach nonstick clothes iron is a really nice option because it is small and compact, it's lightweight, it only weighs 2.7 pounds, but it really packs a punch and does a great job of ironing and steaming your clothes. So I love that it smoothly glides over your garments and you're able to easily get in between things like buttons and around collars, and it really just moves super well. I love that it has several settings for all different types of fabrics, so you can customize and choose exactly what you need. And probably my favorite function is this push button retractable cord. It is awesome. So check out the amount of steam this thing puts off. You can actually use this as a handheld steamer by using the steam button, and then you can actually steam your clothes upright, especially those more delicate fabrics, and it really does an excellent job. So this is a really great option, and that's my point of view.